Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a candle holder out of mostly dollar store items. First off, we're going to start with the small little candle holder that you seen a second ago. It can be purchased in a package of 4. The reason I use a mixture of E6000 and hot glue is the hot glue will hold the 2 pieces of glass together while the E6000 dries for a long-term hold. I didn't specify before, but the reason we are gluing the 2 candle holders together is to give a little bit more height. The next thing we're going to do is stain it, just to give it a little bit of a darker color. Once the stain has dried, we're going to cut a slit into the embroidery hoop using my miter box and saw so that we can attach it to either side of the candle holder, which you will see coming up next. Now we're going to split open the hoop and we're going to add a little bit of hot glue and E6000 like we did before, and we're going to glue it to the bottom of the bigger candle holder. As you can see, I really struggled with this part, so if you do choose to make this craft, just take your time. It will work, you just have to hold on to it. Now that the glue is set, we're going to add some embellishments to the embroidery hoop to make it look nice. I chose some lavender that I got at the dollar store and some ribbon. But you can use whatever you want or whatever suits your decor. Now don't forget to use your finger guards if you have them. I forgot to use mine and I must have burnt myself about 18 times. After that I just added a bow and it was done. As usual guys, here's the finished product. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any ideas for future videos, please leave it in the comments below.